Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to add a staff for customizing on Shopify. Let's get started. Adding a staff for customization on Shopify enables business to tailor their online store according to specific needs. Staff can modify theme, develop custom app, and integrate third-party services to enhance the functionality and user experience. This customization helps business stand out, optimize process, and meet unique customer demands, fostering growth and competitiveness. To start, let's navigate our cursor to the setting option. Here is the setting of your Shopify store, where you can start building a professional Shopify store. To add stuff for customization on Shopify, click on User and Permissions. On this page, you can manage what users can see or do in your store. Currently, this person is the owner of the Shopify store. To transfer ownership, click on the Transfer Ownership link and start inserting the information of the new staff owner, the full name, email address, and password. Once you do that, click on the Transfer Shop Ownership button. It will immediately send an email link to the new ownership. To add stuff for customization on Shopify, we need to pick a plan. Once you pick a plan, you will find a page like this. Based on your plan, it will show you how much stuff you can add. Click on Add Stuff button. On the next page, insert the full name of the person to whom you want to send the invitation through email. Once you fill the information, here are online store permissions, administrative permissions, and the general section roles. You can select the permission that you want to give, or you can select all to give full permission based on the assigned staff role. You need to take care of giving permission or assigning role for staff, especially administrative role. Once we finish giving the role, click on the Send Invite button. As you can see, one staff is added for customization. This is the process of how to add staff for customization on Shopify. Thank you for watching.